Samantala, big winner ang Kapuso Network sa St. Dominic College of Asia Stardom Awards 2026. At kabilang po mga kapuso sa mga pinarangalan ang inyong 24 oras anchors. Nakatutok si Ivan Mayrina.
Nakuha ng GMA Network ang Innovation Media Award at Grand Impact Award. Kinilala rin sina 24 oras anchors Mel Tiangco bilang Outstanding News Anchor in Research Communication at Vicky Morales na nakakuha ng Lifetime Achievement Award in Media, Research and Public Service. Kapwa pinarangalan ng Excellence in Science and Research Journalism, sina Kuya Kim Atienza at Martin Javier. Ang GMA Integrated News, pinarangalan din ng Best Use of Digital Platforms for Knowledge and Dissemination. Habang reporter na si Oscar Oida ay Outstanding Field Reporter for Community Impact. Kinilala ng mga Outstanding Television Network for Research and Public Education, ang GMA Public Affairs. Nakuha ni na Jessica Soho at Cara David ang Excellence Award in Media and Research Communication. Wagi rin ang kanilang programa, gaya ng Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho bilang Best Public Affairs and Social Impact Program at Eyewitness bilang Best Documentary Program at Best Investigative Journalism Program. Best Research-Based Television Program, ang The Atom Araujo Specials at Best Educational TV Program, ang Born to Be Wild. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Ivan Mayrina, nakatutok, 24 oras.
Muli, maraming salamat po sa St. Dominic College of Asia Stardom Awards 2026 sa pagkilala sa GMA Network at sa GMA Integrated News.
Taos puso rin po ang aking pasasalamat sa iginawad ninyo sa aking Outstanding News Anchor in Research Communication.
At punong-puno rin po ng pasasalamat ang aking puso para po dito sa Lifetime Achievement Award in Media, Research and Public Service. Alay po namin ang mga parangal na ito sa inyo, mga kapuso.